Welcome. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting effective instructions, the backbone of great agent performance. Whether you're guiding a human or an AI agent, clear, concise instructions are vital for consistent, high-quality results. Clear instructions minimize errors, reduce ambiguity, and ultimately, supercharge your agent's performance and efficiency. Let's explore the 3 core principles for writing instructions that make your agents shine: specificity, positivity, and structure. First, be specific. Clearly define the scope, expected output format, and any unique requirements. Ambiguity is the enemy of performance. Next, use positive directives. Focus on telling the agent what to do rather than what not to do. This directs them toward the desired outcome. Third, structure your instructions with Markdown. Use sections, headers, and bulleted lists to enhance readability and ensure all points are addressed. Now let's look at some advanced techniques to further refine your instructional quality. Add few-shot examples. This is key for AI agents. Show, don't just tell, by providing examples of ideal inputs and corresponding outputs. Define the required tone and style. If your agent needs to sound professional or friendly, specify it to ensure consistent persona across all outputs. Always provide guidance for handling errors, edge cases, or ambiguous inputs. What should the agent do when it encounters an issue? Spell it out. Just as important as what to include is what to avoid in your instructions. Avoid vagueness and negative language like "don't be slow" or "try not to make mistakes." These lead to confusion and suboptimal outcomes. By following these principles, you'll dramatically improve the clarity and effectiveness of your agent instructions. Remember, specific, positive, and structured instructions are the formula for agents that consistently shine. Thanks for watching.